It is loaded with the nicotine and a heating element, and a battery is there. When it is switched off, and this is the tip from where one will take puff. When one will take puff, it will just go in steam form. There won't be any smoke. This is a smokeless tobacco, and the person concerned will only take the this steam, and this will lit and give a appearance that as if he is just taking a cigarette. Puja, archana, no, havan. You are just giving ghee. This emits a lot of smoke. This doesn't contain nicotine. But this is very harmful. I am telling you to nearby persons and as well as the priest. And we have done research, particularly at Pune, and we have taken 50 priests, and we found that out of them, 25 priests, they are suffering from severe COPD, which I described to you earlier. Incense, dhupakati, incense. Okay, so these are all. I mean, this is an absolute truth. Smoke emits from there, and we do get some passive smoking. Mosquito coil, this is very, very harmful. One coil, when it is burned, it is equivalent to 100 cigarettes. Mind it. About 30 to 40 years back, there was no gas. Your grandma, they were using these tulas, and do you know the fact that 2 to 6 hours exposure per day, and they have inhaled in their lifetime of 25 years about 25 million liters of highly polluted air during their time. And this has given them COPD in the severe form, not only them and others also in the family. I can say, I have told you all bad effects of smoking and chewing and everything. But still, I believe there are few distinct advantages of smoking. Can you give a mic to them?
So it reduces the high populated India. It reduces the population of India.
Give him a standing ovation. Amazing. Smoker has got a bright chance to get a presidential award because his smoking will help him and others for early death and population control of the country. He's correct. He should be awarded.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, smoking gives money to the people who sell smoke, like cigarettes. They pay taxes, then the country is benefited.
Okay, thank you. You just think in 3 diseases, that is the coronary artery disease, which I just told you earlier, and the COPD and the cancer. In our so many other countries, diseases are there: lung abscess, pneumonia, bronchitis, and anything I told. But only for these 3, our country is spending 27,000 crores, whereas the revenue what we are getting, it is only 21,000 crores, only for 3 diseases. Apart from that, there is so many man-day loss and so many other diseases, and for all these diseases also, the people concerned also, they spend money. Thank you. Smoking or chewing, one can leave it. Just see, it is difficult, but not impossible to quit. So what we need, strength of mind and determination, and sympathy from all of you. That's why I'm here. You will have to be a messenger. Sympathy, because when one person is addicted or dependent, it is a disease. You'll have to help them. You'll have to counsel them. You'll have to have sympathy with them. And the persuasion during acute illness. If someone is having a pneumonia, if you just hammer at that time, look, you are taking this gutka, you are having this cigarette, that's why you are having this. You'll have to leave it, and they will listen at that point of time. An anti-smoking campaign like this, and today I am doing here, and you should do it in your house, in your neighbors, in the neighborhood. You'll have to do that in future. No one can smoke in public place. You see, in public place, no one can smoke. That is the number 1. That is the prevailing law. They will be fined. No one can sell tobacco products to persons below 18 years. Again, this is the law. No one can sell tobacco products in and around 100 meters radius of any educational institution. That's very good. Let us give a big hand for this school. Actually, I have visited. There is no tobacco counter here, near about, at least 100 meters. That's a good thing. Our aim is to make India tobacco free, and here I recognize my wife Asa Misra, who is standing behind me since 1994 for this movement. And let us give her a big hand, and she is always there. So let us give a slogan. Dear smokers and cheers. Don't pollute our air, our environment. You breathe pure air and allow us to breathe pure air. Very good. That's like SAI International School.
So like in the advertisement it came like there is a medicine, there's a medicine called as Nicotex. Like how does that, if we use that, how can like the how can we get less addicted?
Just take little bit more coffee, more tea, the normal chewing gum and cloves and elaichi and so on, and slowly you reduce it. That helps in reduction, and thereby it reduces also the bad effect of smoking in the lungs. But as a whole, again, Nicotex is nicotine, and it will definitely harm the body.
It's an extremely important thing for us to know about tobacco and the harmful effects of it.